Hello students, we are going to start the chapter number 5, arithmetic progressions. Right, so this one is very interesting chapters and also the importance. Arithmetic progression and other two progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression you learn in the upper class. Okay, so let's start our chapters. So here the first of the introductions. Suppose here the 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, and 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Okay. So here these are this pattern are known as sequences, right? So देखो here 1, 3, 5, 7 and 11 and 1, 4, 9, 16 and 20. These patterns normally are known as a sequence, right? So why it is called a sequence? What is the meaning of sequence? Right? तो बहुत सिंपल है. क्या है? तो a sequence is an arrangement of number in a definite order according to some rule, right? It is called the sequence, right? So a sequence is an arrangement of the numbers in a definite order according to the some rules. So for example, suppose here the 4, right? 7, 10, 13, okay, 16. This is the sequence because here this sequence the start from 4, okay, start with 4 and add 3 to each terms, okay, to get each terms, okay, to find another terms. Got it? So the simple start with 4 and add 3 to each term to get the next terms. Clear? So this one is called the sequence. So this is the one kind of the sequence. Understood? Okay. Now progression. Progressions means sequences which follow a definite pattern are called progressions, right? Understood? Okay, तो सिंपल जैसे सीक्वेंस कोई ना कोई पर्टिकुलर डिफाइनाइट पैटर्न जो फॉलो करता है उसको हम लोग प्रोग्रेशंस कहते हैं, राइट? अरिथमेटिक, ज्योमेट्रिक एंड हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशंस आर हियर. Only we learn in standard 10 the arithmetic progressions. Clear? Okay? Understand? Okay. Now अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. तो किसको कहेंगे हम लोग? अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशंस नॉर्मली. ओके, द सीक्वेंस a sequence in which each term differs from its preceding term. Okay, a sequence in which each terms differs from its preceding terms by a constant is called arithmetic progression, right? Written as AP. Clear? So see that a sequence in which each terms differ from its preceding terms by a constant. So this constant is called the common difference, right? We see that there are some examples. Okay, it is called the arithmetic progressions, right? So written as AP. Clear? Okay. So I just see that 4, 7, 10, 13. Okay. It is a one kind of the arithmetic progression. Why it is arithmetic progressions? Okay, so just see that your first terms start with 4. So the one terms is denoted by A1, yeah, AN. So A1 is equal to here 4. Understand? Okay. The second terms is equal to 7. So A2, right? So 4 plus 3, because 4 minus 3, 4 and add 3, you get the 7. So here the 4 means the first term A, right? And this constant value, here the 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13. Okay, so by constant, so each term differ from its preceding terms by any constant, so by constant 3. So this constant is called the common difference. So this one is common difference, is denoted by D, right? So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. This one is a second terms. Now A3, so 4 plus here 3 and here also 3. So 4 plus 3 and you get 10. So 4 plus 2 times 3. Right? 4 means first term. Okay. 2 and 3 means the common difference. Right? Yani a constant. Now A4. Yani 4 terms. So 4 plus 3 and again 3. So 3 times 3 is equal to A plus 3D. Right? So up to n terms of this sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you here written simple, 4 plus 1, 2, 3. So you know that 2, so 1D, 3, so 2D, 4 terms, that means 3D. So plus n minus 1 into D, D means 3. So the n terms of this, right, of the AP is equal to A n minus 1 into D. Right? So this is called the general terms of the AP. It is called the general term of the AP. Means here the general terms of an AP is called the AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is equal to first term, right, and D means common, okay, common difference. Clear? Now common difference, that means constant. So A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 and so on. Continue. Right? So it is the constant, so that's why it is called the general terms. Right? So A is equal to first term, D means the common terms, n terms of the AP is equal to AN, A plus n minus 1 into D. T and भी लिख सकते हैं, AN, UN, whatever लिख सकते हैं. Understand? Clear? So the n terms of the AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is the general formula. So find out the 10 terms, so A plus 9D. Find out the 20 terms, so A plus 19D. Okay, 100 terms, that means the A plus 99D. Clear? So some example of there. So first of that, suppose 4, 7, 10, okay, 13 is the AP. Then find, okay, it's 101 terms. Okay, so simple, A is equal to 4. Clear? Now, and D, common difference, second term minus first term. Okay, so here the 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So the first term is 4 and the common difference is 3. We want to find the 101 terms, right? So here the A 101. So we put the A plus n minus 1 into D. 101. So 100 into D. Put the value A is equal to 4 into 100. D means 3. So 4 plus normally the 300 and we got the 304. So 101 terms is equal to 304. Okay, understand? Right? Now that's simple. Now n terms. N terms from the end of an AP. Okay, find out the n terms from end. So if the first term is equal to A, common, okay, difference is equal to D, right? And the last term, yeah, it is denoted by L is equal to A and B कह सकते हो, मतलब A N, this one n terms. Okay, so then n term from the n is equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. Okay, तो अगर आपको n से कोई टर्म्स फाइंड आउट तो L माइनस नॉर्मली द इधर n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. क्लियर? क्योंकि आप जनरल एपी को कैसे इंडिकेट करते हो, आपने देख लिया एपी, तो फर्स्ट टर्म इज ए, सेकंड ए प्लस डी, राइट, थर्ड ए प्लस 2d, डैश 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 अप टू लास्ट टर्म मे बी ए एन मतलब एल, सो एल माइनस डी, ओके, एल माइनस 2d. क्लियर? सो here the L minus n minus 1 into D. So एक एग्जांपल समझते हैं इसके ऊपर. बेसिकली चलो फाइंड 10 term from the end of an AP, right? OAP अगर मान लो we have the normally NAP is 4, 9, 14 dash up to 254, right? So here A, that means 4, common difference D, that means the 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and L, that means last term मतलब 254, and N is equal to here 10 because we want to the 10 terms. So the 10 terms from the end is equal to L minus n minus 1 into D. L means 254 minus n minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9, and D 5. So therefore 254 minus 45. Our answer is equal to 209. Clear? So आगे से अगर फाइंड आउट करना है फ्रॉम द ओके फर्स्ट एन टर्म्स तो बहुत आसान है, ए एन ए प्लस एन माइनस 1, बट फ्रॉम द एंड यूज द फॉर्मूला एल माइनस एन माइनस 1 इंटू डी. क्लियर? We solve the some kind of examples, right? चलो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हियर द see the blackboard, so that the progression 8, 11, 14, 17 is an AP, then find its first term and the common difference. First we check this given sequence is AP or not, right? So question number 1, here the first 8, okay, 11, 14, 17, okay. Now first find out the common difference. It is called the suppose D1. So second term minus first term. So 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Second difference check कर लेते हैं, A3 minus A2. So third term minus second term again 3. चलो D3 that means 17 A4 minus A3. So 17 minus 14 is equal to 3. So we got the constant, right? So difference are constant here. So that's why it is the D1, D2 and D3. So this sequence is in AP, right? चलो फर्स्ट टर्म कौन है यहाँ पे 8, कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या मिल गया हमें 3. क्लियर? सो simple. The first term is equal to A and the common difference is equal to 3. Understand? Clear? Now question number 2. Here find the n term and also the 16th term of the given AP. So we have the AP is a 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 up to infinity terms. Okay, now A is equal to first term, that means 3 common difference, second term minus first term, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So again this one is we find it. So first question, find the n terms. So n terms is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So n terms is equal to A means 3, common difference 2 into n minus 1. So 3 plus 2n minus 2. So 2n, 3 minus 2, that means plus 1. So n terms of the given AP is equal to 2n plus 1. Okay? N terms मिल जाए तो you find out the any of the terms. Understood? Okay. So now in 2 also we find out the 16 terms. So 16 terms you apply both the formula. Okay, chalo, you find out the 16 terms. So A16. So formula A plus n minus 1. So 16 minus 1, 15 into D. So A means, here A means 3, right? Plus 15, D means 2. So 3 plus 30, we got 33. So the 16th term of the given AP is equal to 33. या आप इसी फॉर्म में से भी ला सकते हो अगर, और ओके आपके पास था n terms, already find it. So 2n plus 1. You got the 16th term. Put n is equal to 16. So 2 into 16 plus 1. So 32 plus 1 also 33. Clear? Understand? Now the question number 3. Which terms of the AP 5, 9, 13, 17 is 81? Clear? So यानी 18 टर्म्स है, जो 81 है विथ एक कौन सी टर्म्स होगा वो यहाँ पे ढूंढना है, मतलब हमें एन ढूंढना है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ दैट 5, 9, 13, 17. So here the first term 5, common difference D is equal to second term minus first term is equal to 4, and n terms is 81 is given. So we want to find the n. Clear? So an formula apply, A plus general formula n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. Put the value. You have an 81, A 5, D 4 into n minus 1. So here the 81 minus 5 is equal to 4 into n minus 1. Right? 81 minus 5, 76, right? By 4 is equal to n minus 1. Now cut it. So n minus 1 is equal to 4 1 jar. Okay, so 19. So put n is equal to 20. Sorry, we got n is equal to 20. Clear? So 20 terms is become 80. 81 is the 20 terms of the given AP. Clear? Understand? Okay. Now question number 4. Which terms of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 120 more than its 21st terms? Okay, questions ध्यान से देखो, is a good one. Sequence is given, AP is given 21 terms. Okay, more than 120 and then we find the n terms, right? तो ऐसी कौन सी टर्म है जो अपनी 21 टर्म से more than 120 है? Understand? Okay. So first of that 3, 15, 27, 39. So here a is equal to 3. Common difference 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. So required AP, required the n term. We require the terms is an. मान लो. Okay. So we consider the an is our required terms. So this one is. So 21 plus 120. Here, so here is 120 more than its 21 terms. So 21 terms plus 120 is our required terms. Clear? Okay. The formula of the n terms. So a plus n minus 1 into d. 21 a plus 20d is plus 120. Okay. So दोनों में a तो कॉमन है, हम लोग पहले से ही कट कर देते. Okay. Now d means 12 into n minus 1. So 20 into 12 plus 120. So here 12 into n minus 1. 12 twos are 240 plus 120 is equal to 360. So n minus 1 is equal to 360 divided by 12. So n minus 1 is equal to 30. So implies that n is equal to 31. Means, so here simple, our matlab the 31 terms is more than 120, it's 21 terms. Got it? So a 31st terms is equal to the 21 terms plus 120. Clear? Understand? Okay. Question number 5. The 6 terms of NAP is minus 10 and its 10 terms is minus 26. Determine the 15 terms of the AP. Question number 5 के अंदर हमारे पास है 6 terms is equal to minus 10. So formula of 6 term a plus 5d is equal to minus 10. Equation number 1. And 10 term, so a10 is minus 26. Okay, so a plus 9d is the formula of the a10 and minus 26. Okay, from 1 and 2 we eliminate this. A plus 5d is equal to minus 10. A plus 9d is equal to minus 26. Negative, negative and positive. So we cancel. Here the minus 4d is equal to 16 positive. So d is equal to minus 4. Okay, put in equation number 1 with that d value put kar do. So a here plus 5 4s are minus 20 is equal to minus 10. So a is equal to minus 10. This negative inside, so positive. Put then we find a is equal to 10. We got 10 for a. Clear? So first term we got 10. Common difference minus 4. We find out the 15 terms. So formula a plus n minus 1 into d, that means 14d. Put the value. A means 10 plus 14 and d 4. So 10. Okay. So simple. 14 4 the 56. Then minus 56 we got minus 46. This is a 15 terms. Got it? Clear? Understand? Okay. Okay. So up. NCERT exercise 5.1 start करते हैं. Now starting from the question number 2, we discuss the simple terms. Okay. Question write the find the first 4 terms of the given AB and first A and D. Right is given. Okay. तो first में आपके पास A is equal to क्या है 10. Okay, and D is also 10. First term is also 10 and common difference is also 10. So now first term A1 is equal to 10. Second term, so A plus B, right? So 10 plus 10, we got 20. Now A3, A plus n minus 1 into D. So A3 matlab 2D, A plus 2D. A 10, 2 into 10. Right? So 20 plus 10 is 30. Fourth term is equal to A plus 3D. So A is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10. So 40. Clear? So we got the first four terms. Now question 2. Here the A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0. Right? So simple. First term is equal to minus 2. Second term A plus D. So minus 2 plus 0 minus 2. A3 A plus 2D. So minus 2 plus 2 into 0. We got minus 2. A4 is equal to A plus 3D. So A is equal to minus 2 plus D. And D is 0. So 0 into 0 plus minus 2. That means minus 2. Again we got the all four formula minus 2 and minus 2. Clear? Okay. Now question number 3. A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Understand? Okay. Now first term 4. D can minus 3. So A2 is equal to A plus D. Right? So A is equal to 4, D minus 3. We got 1. Third term A plus 2D. A means 4 plus 2. D means minus 3. 2 3s are 6 and 4. So we got minus 2. Fourth term A plus 3D. So A means 4 plus 3 into minus 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus 9 plus 4. We got minus 5. Clear? So we find out the all four terms. So first term is 4, second term 1, third term minus 2 and fourth term minus 5. Okay, understand? So similarly here the question number 4 is given that A is equal to minus 1 and D half. D is equal to half. So simple है चलो first term minus 1, second term A plus D. So minus 1 plus half, we got minus 1 by 2. Third term is equal to A plus 2D. So simple, here the minus 1 plus 2. D means 1 by 2. 2 2 cancel. 1 minus 1 plus 1 0. Now fourth term is equal to A plus 3D. So minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2 and we got 1 by 2. Clear? Okay. Understand the questions? Okay. So question number 2. You already understand. Okay. Just find out the first four term when the A and D is given. Okay. Fifth one, A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. Find out the first four terms, right? Okay. So first term A is equal to minus 1.25. Second term, so A plus D. So A means first term 1 point minus 1.25 and plus into minus 0.25. Both negative, then same sign, always addition. So 1.25 and 0.25, 1.5 matlab 15 and but negative. Clear? Greater number sign. Third term A plus 2D. Right? So A is equal to minus 1.25 plus 2 into D means minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 minus and 0.25 into 2 minus 0.5, 5 matlab 15. So minus 1.75. This one is the third term, right? So now fourth term is equal to formula A plus 3D minus 1.25 is the first term plus 3 times difference minus 0.25. So minus 1.25 and minus 0.75. 1.25 and 0.75, that means 2. So minus 2.0. Clear? So we got all 4 terms, A1, A2, A3 and 4. Understand? Clear?